Top 200 Secrets of Success by Robin Sharma. Secret number 51. Aromas have been proven to be an effective means of entering a state of relaxation. Scents have a very noticeable effect on your mindset and moods. Purchase the essential oils of orange and clove bud from your local health food shop. Put a few drops of either oil within a cup of boiling water and inhale the sweet smelling steam for a few minutes. Then let the mixture sit in the room where you are resting. You will gain a sense of peace and serenity. A little apple spice in the air has recently been shown to induce a far more restful sleep. Secret number 52. Cultivate the art of walking half an hour after you have finished eating your evening meal. Walks in natural settings are the very best. Walking is perhaps nature's ideal exercise, and when you walk, do not think about work or about the bills or about the challenges you might be facing. This will neutralize many of the benefits. Simply enjoy the walk. Notice the richness of your surroundings. Let your senses drink in the beauty of nature and the crispness of the air for a change. So many people who have mastered the art of growing younger have also mastered the habit of a daily walk. Secret number 53. Start a program of weightlifting at the gym. Strong people are mentally tough people. As you age, you need not lose your physical nor your mental health or strength. 75-year-old men are running marathons. 80-year-old women have scaled mountains. And 90-year-old grandparents are living rich, productive lives. Whether you are 19 or 93, stay fit, stay motivated, and stay passionate about life. Secret number 54. Never argue with the person you work for. You will lose more than just the argument. Secret number 55. In terms of business attire, dark suits, navy blue and charcoal gray reflect power, sophistication, and authority. Have you ever seen a prime minister or president in a tan suit? Secret number 56. Regularly send handwritten notes to your business clients and your other relations to strengthen the bond. Develop a system which reminds you to send something valuable to this network at least once every 4 months. Send them postcards when you are away on vacation. If you have to buy a few hundred postcards and spend an hour writing, do not worry. This is an exceptionally good investment of your time. Another idea is to send a recent article of interest to your contacts with a handwritten note saying that you thought this would be interesting them and that you continue to value their friendship. Relationship building should always be a central focus whether you are a CEO, a student, a salesperson, or a parent. Secret number 57. Two of the fundamentals for a happy, joyful life are balance and moderation. One must maintain a balance of all activities and do nothing to extremes. Secret number 58. Drink jasmine tea which can be obtained from any Chinese herbal shop. It is excellent for your general health and is very relaxing. Also try placing a few slices of fresh ginger in a cup of hot water for a superb tea that will restore vitality and keep you in a peak physical condition. Secret number 59. Remember that effective time management makes you more rather than less flexible. It allows you to do things that you really want to do rather than the things you really have to do. Secret number 60. Do not take personal development books as gospel. Read them and take whatever useful ideas you need. Some people feel they must do everything suggested and take the techniques to extremes. Every book has at least one tool or strategy of benefit. Take what you need and what works for you and discard what does not suit you.